we doing today? We're gonna be fixing a BMW today. One of the few BMWs that we have around here at the shop. For the past day I've been driving this thing. It's a very mint condition Z3. It's got 57,000 miles. Currently having a little bit of transmission issues. I believe previous owner never did the maintenance for the transmission, so it feels like it's slipping. Feels like the converter's not working. So most definitely has to do something with the fluid. So first off, we're gonna change the fluid. Put new transmission fluid on it, which we got right here, and got a new gasket and a new filter for the transmission. So here's everything we got to get this Z3 running again. Actually, I need my creeper. Basically, this thing's been sitting for a month. Yesterday I was told to go pick it up, so I traded my motorcycle for it. Left the GSXR over there, but this one should be easy, quick and easy. Just a quick transmission fluid change. So here we have my Torx, or my T45. We got jack stands, jack. We got the parts needed to do the oil change. We got the filter and the gasket. So should be quick and easy. Felt like it just needed some ATF. So what I'm gonna do is do the maintenance on the transmission, make sure it's obviously up to date. The fluid is changed, the filter's changed, and go from there. If it keeps slipping, or it feels like it has no power, it feels like it's slipping torque converter wise, I will have to change the torque converter. But for now, it should be quick and easy. I called my BMW friend, mechanic, or he actually owns a shop, and he told me he would do the maintenance on it first. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. BMW maintenance. Let's see how hard it is. It can't be that hard. Well, let's get started. So this car, I don't know much about this car. I've never worked on a C3 either. I have two E46s. I believe they're the same because this has a 2.5 liter engine. Then it has the automatic transmission. Generally, automakers move over the engines onto different platform chassis, this including one of them. This looks to be the same engine as the one in the E46. This should be easy peasy. Well, that's never been off before. Now, off to get. It's draining, so that's good. There was something in there. But since it already stopped, I bet it wasn't much. Bring the drill. Oh no! Look up! I got tranny fluid on my elbow. Is gonna make I can't see anything past this side. I'm not gonna lie. I can see something else than just that side. I'm struggling. Oh, that's You're welcome, you just saw that POV. Drop oil everywhere. Move it just by wiggling it off. Like that. Oil's never been cleaned. Never. You can tell this thing's so dirty. Stuck. Well,
what's the word?
What's that?
What's the word?
What is the word?
I don't know.
I mean, it's going.
And
I'm putting the oil pan gasket on.
Yeah.
And then.
Did it need a new one?
I mean, once you take it off, because I changed the filter.
Right.
So obviously you gotta take off the pan to get it.
There's a gasket worn out.
I mean, it didn't look like it was leaking at all.
Uh-huh.
But once you take it off, you gotta put a new one on.
Gotcha.
So.
Okay.
And then you should be able to put in the fluid, and then run it through the gears, and then it should be a test drive.
Right. So you put new transmission fluid in it?
I will in a second.
Did you drain out all the old stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's in a little. Half of it's on the floor, and then half of it's on that oil pan over there.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Good we have a pressure washer.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, I already threw some of this stuff on.
I see it.
This kitty litter.
Yeah. Right.
So most of the work's been done already. Now we just gotta fill up the transmission. So this is where it gets fun. This is not easy at all. And this thing gets really stiff. All right, so we finished this thing. Basically what I did, new transmission filter, new tranny fluid. The way of getting all of the fluid or the air out of the system is basically just turning it on, running it through the gears. I made an absolute mess. Basically all that had to be done with the car. I've yet to test drive it. Hopefully it fixes, hopefully it acts a little bit better. I'm gonna move the car back. All right, so. It feels a lot better, I cannot lie. It actually feels like it should drive like this. Before, I should have done a POV of what it drove like, but basically 2,000, 3,000 RPMs and the car barely moved. Now the car is somewhat cold and it's moving under its own power relatively easily. So, I mean, that's good. That's actually great. I do have to go easy on it. Put 100 miles on it, see if it changes, see if it improves at all. Get all the gear cycled through, all the solenoids with oil. Obviously, gotta get air pockets out of it. I mean, I had it on jack stands and running it like that, it's pretty good for it, but I mean, it's not, you're not gonna be up to highway speeds with it, you know? So, have to get on the highway, see what it does, see how it does. I mean, it's smooth. It feels like my 3 Series. I mean, it's kind of a weird comparison, but it does have the same engine, automatic transmission as well. So, I mean, it's kind of the closest comparison that I have to it. I've never driven a Z3 before, but I mean, I can definitely tell whenever transmission's slipping or not. And most definitely, this one was slipping beforehand.